Hello and welcome to another video. Presently it's pretty much about budget gaming because of the success of Battle Royale titles like PUBG, Fortnite and Call of Duty Blackout, which all do not need a beefy £800 PC to be able to run. But that said, it is becoming ever more popular to create an ultimate budget PC case to fit your budget gaming powerhouse into, and this is where GameMax pretty much come in. GameMax have had massive amount of media attention recently, and all for the right reasons in my opinion, for producing budget friendly mid-tower chassis just like the Starlight RGB tempered glass edition. The Starlight ATX mid-tower gaming case comes with a fully tempered glass side panel, one 120mm single ring halo rainbow RGB fan which is pre-installed in the back of the case, and with room for an extra 5 fans in this case. It really does have something to offer, especially for this price point. Not to forget to mention the water cooling support as well, and it comes with a pre-installed PWM hub and IR remote controller and can connect up to 9 devices in total should you use the 6-pin fans. The hub also comes with a 3-pin Aura connector, giving you unlimited control over your LED lighting via the Aura Sync software. To finish all of this off, a rainbow RGB strip in the front of the case that adds even more colour, flexibility and being able to change your setup to suit your beautiful personality. The case is pretty much made of steel and plastic. Although the plastic is well made and put together, the steel in my opinion is quite thin and flexible and more noticeable in certain areas, like along the roof of the case, for example on the top of the PSU shroud, which would really put me off putting my liquid cooling solution on the roof of this particular case. I do recall when unboxing the actual product, I leant slightly on the case on the top and there was quite a bit of flex, which I don't think is something to worry about, but it's just me being fussy, I guess. However, looking at the front end of the case, there really isn't much in the terms of airflow either, apart from all of these small holes down the side of the actual front panel. But that being said, my Masterbox 5 Lite has served me very well over the last 2 years with water cooling installed. So if you're going to go with the water cooling route, this is exactly where I would mount my fans and radiator. But for those who want to air cool their PC, this chassis can accommodate either 2x 120 or 140mm fans installed in the top or in the front of the case. One great feature about this case, the cables included inside the case are mainly black braided cables and are excellent and long enough to cable manage and place nicely into their respective connectors. However, the placing of the cable cutouts for their PSU and device cables really didn't do it for me at all. Yes, I do love the idea of the lip pressed into the steel and coming inwards into the case, allowing you to easily route the cables through, but made cabling look untidy as most of the cables dropped down and it looked really untidy and bunched together. But if they were to maybe do little cutouts within inside this lip to stop the cables from rolling down and bunching together, I definitely think that this would make the case almost flawless, to be honest, especially at this price range. What really sold me this case was the light bar at the front of the case, which just looks absolutely fantastic. The way the tempered glass on the side panel has like a black border around it to hide all the fittings etc. And the front panel, which consists of a large power button, microphone and headphone ports, 2x USB 2 ports and 3x USB 3 ports, and an LED controller, having almost everything you need on the front panel alone. So just to add more into the mix, the Starlight can house up to a 360mm GPU and a 175mm CPU cooler, coming in at 39cm deep, 20.6cm wide and only 44.7cm tall. Makes this a pretty neat, compact and stylish case with a lot to offer. But imagine if they addressed the issues that they have and still being sold for 60 quid. I'd say winner winner, chicken dinner. So apart from me being a fussy old fart and liking everything to be neat and tidy, I still think that this case is definitely worth our gold reward. So congratulations and well done GameMax, you knocked it out the park for this one. I definitely look forward to you sending me the Phantom and the Shadow to look at in the coming weeks. Well, if you liked this video, hit that like button. If you loved it, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.